Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully you will be fine. Okay, beta. Open your countdown. Open the page number 93. Firstly, write down CW and short date 4/12/2020. Okay, beta. Our topic is multiplication that we have done yesterday. Okay, beta. Here are three examples. Firstly, question number A. 2 cupcakes on a plate, 2 plates on the table. How many cupcakes? There are 2 plates and 2 cupcakes. 2 twos are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In question number B, there are 3 bowls. Each have 2 fish. 2 fish in a fish tank. 3 fish tanks in total. How many fish in all? 3 bowls and 2 fish. 3 twos are 6. Okay. In question number C, okay, 2 bows on a head, 4 heads in the window. How many bows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 girls each have 2 bows. 4 twos are 8. Okay. Okay, now open page number 94. Question number D is 2 fish in a bowl and 5 bowls on the shelf. How many fish in total? There are 5 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each have 2 fish. 1, 2. 5 twos are 10. Okay. Question number 5 is fill in the missing numbers. How many wheels? Okay. There are 3 bicycles. Each have 2 wheels. 3 twos are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 twos are 6. Okay. Question number B is how many ears? There are 5 rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each have 2 ears. 5 twos are 10. Okay. How many feet? There are 6 children. Okay. Each have 2 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 twos are 12. Okay. Now open the page number 95. Okay. It is very simple. It's a table of 2. Okay. 1, 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 6 are 12. 7 twos are 14. 8 twos are 16. 9 twos are 18. 10 twos are 20. You can read 2 fours are or 4 twos are, both have the same concept. Okay. Now open the page number 96. Okay, beta. Simple. Read the table of 2. 2 fives are or 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 2 6 are 12. 8 twos are 2 6 are 16. 9 twos are 2 nines are 18. 4 twos are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. Question number C is 2 children each hold 2 balls. 2 children and each hold 2 balls. How many balls altogether? Okay. When we count multiple things, we multiply. Okay. 2 children, 2 balls, 2 twos are 4. Okay. 3 girls have 2 sweets. How many girls? 3 girls each have 2 sweets. How many sweets altogether? 3 twos are 6. Question number E is 5 birds on a tree. How many wings altogether? Each bird have 2 wings. 5 twos are 10. Okay. 8 hen in a farm. How many feet altogether? Each hen has 2 feet. 8 twos are 16. Okay, beta. Do it in CW. And question number D to F is HW. You will write on your notebooks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.